this is my shelf of crazy, of Lego and stuff that I want to sell. So I've thankfully sold 3 more sets, so I can get them ready and take them to the post office. But even with all my decluttering, I still find stuff like this really makes me desperate to have it gone. So selling a few things has motivated me to really force myself to just get rid of the rest of it. Even if I give it away, I just need to clear this space. I hope you can hear me. It is very hot today. Well, for me it's very hot. It's 27 degrees and Sarah and I are driving to the post office to mail some Lego that I have just sold. And it's been a while since I've sold Lego. I kind of slowed down on it all because I think it was a brain space kind of thing. And now that hopefully I have made more space in my brain, I can really get that whole shelf empty and done. So yeah, I don't know what else I can tell you. I can say that I thought today would be a lot different in a way than it has been. It's the 1st of January today. And so Happy New Year. Ooh, Happy New Year. We watched on TV last night. I don't even know what it was. We don't normally watch regular TV, but we watched some random TV special for New Year's, and it really was very sad because you've got people singing, no crowd, no nothing. And then when it finished, they were packing away the back area behind the people at like, I swear it was like midnight and 3 seconds. They're just like, all right, this is over, let's move on. And it was kind of like this deflated woohoo. But hey, I lasted till midnight, so I'm proud of myself. And I thought I'd see how I went this morning with getting up. And I think all my 5 a.m. starts kind of made me naturally wake up at 6:30, which, hey, if I'm getting up at 5 a.m., I guess 6:30 is a sleep in. And of course, I had 3 little ones, a 1-year-old, a 2-year-old, and a 4-year-old, awake and raring to go at 7 a.m. So we've done a lot of the day. Kids have enjoyed the sprinkler, and I just turned the wrong way when I'm supposed to be going to the post office, and I've turned to go to the supermarket. So let's turn around the corner now. I got too distracted catching up with you guys. Is the post office even open? It doesn't even look like it's open. Let's go find out. It's hard to tell. Maybe they turn the, oh, I see lights on, but it could be like lights on because of we like having lights on. And damn it, they're closed. Oh well, I have to message my person. I did actually tell them that that would be a possibility. So that was good. And if anybody ever wants tips on how to sell stuff online, I am fairly good at it. The biggest hurdle for me is the pull your finger out and do it. Just pull your finger out, write your list of whatever's you need to do, and then list it and get it done. So I'm like REmotivated. I think that I might think more about doing it and then go home. I don't even know. I don't want to tell you I'm going to go home and list 50 things, because the reality is that probably won't happen. So anyhow, that's it for me for now. This is the beginning of the rest of my life, and I'm sure we'll have plenty more exciting things to show you, like this 3-minute drive from my house to accidentally the supermarket and then the post office, and the post office is closed. So who knows what other exciting things are in store for you on my channel. Are you okay, Sarah?
Yeah, I'm pretty sad.
You're pretty sad because you wanted to go to the post office? Yeah. Maybe we can have an icy pole when we get home? Is that good? It's still New Year's Day, so it's still Happy New Year, but before when I was talking to you about selling the stuff and I really should sell the stuff, well, I came home super motivated. I'm gonna do it, I'm gonna get it done, it's gonna be great, I'm gonna do my ads, I'm gonna look up prices of things, it's gonna be great. And then, like, it doesn't feel great, because then you're sort of like, do I have all the pieces? Yes, we've built this 50 times previously to try to sell it, but I'm gonna push through, because obviously I have to eventually go to bed tonight, so I'm gonna have some kind of plan by the end of today. But I just wanted to show people the reality of what it's like when you're wanting to get rid of stuff, but you actually want to sell it. It's not this magical pill and you just send out songs over the veranda through messenger doves, and the messenger doves go and whisper in the ears of your neighbors and they come and pay you triple the price of what you're asking. That's not the reality. So just bleh, is Lego that we want to sell, and I will now work out what the heck I'm doing, and we'll go from there. This is absolutely one of those moments where I just wish I was a little kid, jumping on the trampoline with the sprinkler going, having a great old time. Someone calls you in, brings you inside, gives you a lovely bath, you're all fresh and clean in your pajamas, and life's great and you have a relaxing evening. But no sprinkler for me, just sorting out my C-wrap that I should have already done, but whatever, people go through this. I think I just want to show you that this is actually real life of what it's like to actually be decisive. We don't want these things anymore. They're worth some money. We're gonna sell them. We need to then motivate ourselves to actually sell them and get them out of the house. Goodbye, never see you again. Don't let the door hit you on the way out. So yes, I'll let you know the next stage when I do it, and it'll be great. And I might even wear a party hat, although I don't own a party hat, so I'd have to like make something. So no promise. This is the cupboard now. So I have sold this stuff, these, and that's the computer stuff from downstairs from my other video. I still have to sell this set on the end, and I have to sell the big truck up here. But overall, my whole thing about it being really difficult, I think it's more the motivation to do it, to make sure that your listing makes sense, that you've taken good photos, that you communicate well, and that you post the things or deliver the things in a timely manner. But definitely worth the effort, because I've made quite a few $100s selling this stuff. So yeah, this is the end part of the video where you see me recording on another day, but I actually was successful. And that sound is my baby pretending to drive a car. So there you go. If you have stuff to sell, I encourage you to do it. It seems like a big laborious thing, but if you sell on places like Marketplace, it's just quick photos, description with your phone, upload it, the people will come eventually. So until next time, take care, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.